White shoe, unraveling the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a unique and interesting phrase in the English language, white shoe. You might have heard or come across it, and if you've ever wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. When we hear the words, white shoe, the immediate image that may pop into our minds is a shoe that's white in color. It's as simple as that. Just like a red shirt would be a shirt that's red, a white shoe is, literally, a shoe painted or made in white. However, in the world of idioms and phrases, white shoe has a different connotation. It often doesn't refer to footwear at all. Instead, the term white shoe is used primarily in the U.S. to describe prestigious, old-line businesses or professionals. For instance, a white shoe law firm refers to a law firm that's been around for a long time and has a high reputation. The origin of this phrase is believed to come from the white buckskin shoes that were popular among the well-to-do Ivy League students in the early to mid-20th century. Wearing such shoes was seen as a sign of affluence and class. Over time, the term started being used to describe institutions and individuals that represent a certain level of prestige and tradition. To get a clearer understanding, let's look at some examples. 1. She got an internship at a white shoe law firm. 2. That's one of those white shoe investment banks, isn't it? 3. He's a partner at a white shoe consulting firm. In all these examples, white shoe adds a layer of prestige and tradition to the institutions being discussed. So, there we have it. White shoe is not just about a footwear color. It's a phrase rich in history and meaning, signifying prestige and old-world charm. The next time you come across it, you'll know exactly what it stands for. We hope you found this video insightful. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next one.